Hello, and welcome to our deep dive into the Sprout Social Dashboard. Crafted with the power and flexibility of Power BI, this dashboard offers a centralized hub for managing and monitoring your social media performance across Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Power BI's robust data visualization capabilities enable us to depict complex data in a simple and easy-to-understand format. Accessing this dashboard is straightforward within our Dynamics 365 CRM environment. Let's walk through the steps. First, navigate to the marketing section of the CRM. From there, select Dashboards. Among the various dashboards available, select the one specifically designed for Sprout Social. This brings us to the heart of our social media insights. What sets this dashboard apart is its fluid design that allows us to effortlessly transition between these platforms while keeping certain key information static for quick reference. For example, regardless of which social media platform we're exploring, we always have our social media page link, the latest post, and the timeline filter visible in the same position, providing a quick reference point. The timeline filter provides data ranging from July to October 2022 across all three platforms. Let's begin with the Facebook tab. This tab provides metrics like the number of page views, likes, engagements, and paid reach. We see these metrics in the form of cards. Now, take a look at this line graph. This is tracking the change in our Facebook fans over the selected time frame. We also have a pie graph depicting the Facebook post interaction ratio with various factors such as reactions, engagements, likes, and comments. Then we see a ribbon chart showing Facebook page interaction, inclusive of some of page likes, video views, page actions, and views. Now, let's switch to the Instagram tab. As we make the switch, note how the cards and graphs update to reflect Instagram-specific data, including metrics like the number of profile views, likes, engagements, and shares. We also have a line graph showing the change in Instagram followers over time. Next, we have a pie graph showing Instagram post interaction ratios including reactions, engagements, likes, and comments. Our ribbon chart here presents Instagram page interaction, displaying profile actions, profile visitors, story replies, and video views. Lastly, we'll switch to LinkedIn. Here, the metrics displayed on our cards include the number of post clicks, impressions, engagements, and paid followers. Our line graph continues to show follower growth, this time focused on LinkedIn. Just like our other platforms, we have a pie graph of LinkedIn post interaction ratio and a ribbon chart highlighting LinkedIn page interaction, factors like post clicks, video views, and average daily reach per page. And with that, we've navigated through our Sprout Social Dashboard. Each tab offers unique insights into our social media performance across Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, while keeping our social media page link and latest post static for consistency. This dashboard, leveraging the capabilities of Power BI and nestled within our Dynamics 365 CRM, provides a clear and in-depth understanding of our social media presence, guiding us in making data-driven decisions.